which case kind of a factory for cryptocurrencies and enterprise blockchain technology. So we're both a research company and an engineering company.
Phase 1, an introduction to Cardano, one of the best alternatives you need to follow. Proof of stake algorithm, that's Ouroboros.
What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here. The entire cryptocurrency market is dumping except one coin, and that is Cardano's ADA. It is standing strong, being up 8%, just flipping Binance coin, making Cardano's ADA the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, just behind Ethereum and Bitcoin. And that is because of this news. A major cryptocurrency fund based in Dubai with $1 billion of their asset management invested into Bitcoin is now converting 75% of that Bitcoin into two altcoins, Cardano's ADA and Polkadot. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. FD7 Ventures is a Dubai-based crypto investment fund, and they are now planning to convert $750 million worth of their Bitcoin holdings over the next 30 days just to buy these two altcoins, Cardano and Polkadot. This move will reportedly better serve the needs of FD7's investors who are now looking to diversify their portfolio in the cryptocurrency space instead of just holding Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is stronger long-term as a store of value, the popular cryptocurrency has become a relatively mature asset. That is why alternative successful coins like Cardano ADA have captured these investors' interest lately. FD7 Ventures is sitting on $1 billion in Bitcoin. Currently, the value of all Bitcoin circulating is just above $1 trillion. The excitement around the two tokens was apparent in the crypto sphere over the past few days. Polkadot, hitting a new all-time high before a market correction, has a much anticipated upcoming parachain auctions which will allow its network to connect with other established blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano, on the other hand, has been trading in a robust uptrend for the past few months, as its upcoming update will allow users to create their own tokens from scratch on top of the Cardano network. This protocol update will require a hard fork, and this hard fork, Mary, is scheduled to launch on the mainnet on March 1st. So aside from the fact that Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to be introduced into the market and society has given it meaning as a store of value, Bitcoin is actually pretty useless if you take away that store of value power. But projects like Cardano, Polkadot and Ethereum are the foundation of a new internet and web 3.0. Cardano in particular being a third-generation blockchain cryptocurrency, according to Prakash Chand, the managing director at FD7 Ventures. FD7 Ventures said that they have already begun the process of converting their Bitcoin into Cardano and Polkadot, and they are expecting to complete this conversion transaction by March of 2021. The managing director Chand concluded that I have been lucky enough to spend a lot of time with the brightest minds into crypto, so I am now willing to bet that Ethereum, Cardano and Polkadot will be more valuable than Bitcoin within the next few years. Despite the major market correction, institutional investors are buying Bitcoin every single day, as $630 million into Bitcoin was just purchased and has now left Coinbase, according to CryptoQuant. The CryptoQuant CEO Kai Young-ju has reported this by sharing on Twitter that 13,390 BTC just moved from the exchange Coinbase into a cold storage platform. Large BTC transfers of these centralized exchanges are usually perceived as a bullish signal that Bitcoin is moving away from a venue where it could be sold into the open market. Ju also believes that BTC's movement indicates that institutional buyers are more than ever interested into Bitcoin near its current price levels, which is a bullish indicator despite the asset's downward movements for the past few days. So 13,000 Bitcoin left Coinbase and went into multiple Coinbase custody wallets for cold storage. Another CEO is predicting that Bitcoin could hit $2.5 million in this super cycle as a top, and here is the reason why. Suzu is the co-founder and CEO of fund management firm 3 Arrows Capital, and he is now revealing an astronomical price prediction for the largest cryptocurrency by market cap in a new interview with App Only. Suzu compares Bitcoin to gold, asserting that gold is likely undervalued and that in the long run, Bitcoin is primed to take over a large portion of the precious metals market share. He states that I think there's an argument that gold itself is very undervalued. So if it was the dominant store of value, as it was like $1,700 per ounce of gold just a few years ago, and let's say that gold should have 5x'd if there was no Bitcoin, then really we are looking at a $50 trillion gold market cap. So then you're already halfway to $100 trillion market cap, and that will get you to a $2.5 million per 1 BTC if Bitcoin hit the same market cap, and that is definitely possible. The CEO says that he expects BTC to jump up in a sudden price surge along the way due to the fact that institutional investors simply refuse to return the price of BTC back down to its previous levels. They are buying it every single day. So eventually Bitcoin will look like gold in the future, being relatively stable. Zhu concludes that I think that Bitcoin will behave like gold in the future, where the market looks linear and like the short-term process. Bitcoin will always go up in the future by 1,000 and then goes down by 1,000. Then you get these bursts in between, and then the repricing process will occur. And this will be painful for most investors, as if they sell their Bitcoin, they will never ever be able to buy that Bitcoin at those price levels because of new price discovery. What are your thoughts on a $2.5 million BTC in the near future? Let us know in the comment section below. Like the video, share, subscribe for some daily crypto content. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.